What if I told you you can create your own consistent animated videos
It speaks in glowing runes!
just by typing a single idea into this AI tool, and it spits out POV documentaries to 3D kids animations or even animes? Faceless channels in these niches posting these videos are already pulling in millions of views and earning serious money. But most people are unable to make these videos and end up stuck juggling between multiple tools, wasting time and money. But this AI tool makes them up to 25 minutes long, zero editing required, using the latest Seedance 2.0 mod just by chatting with it. Doing everything from creating script outlines to reference images and videos with narrations and music.
Not just to shrink. Strong body. Clear skin.
And in this tutorial, I will show how to create your own faceless AI videos across 4 different secret niches that are going viral right now using Anijam AI. So watch till the end, because the third one will blow your mind. Head to Anijam links below. And you can check your credits up here. Check in to get an extra few. I'm going to walk you through the entire workflow while rating the effort and profitability of each videos in that niche. Starting off with the viral and highly profitable sports niche, the earning potential is huge considering these channels. The key here is building a unique identity that remains consistent, using an identifiable character that creates loyal following. I'll use a female version of Toji, appealing to the teenage audience and anime fans. Let's go back and prompt here for a YouTube fitness video featuring a popular anime-style character as the instructor, guiding viewers through a workout routine to achieve a physique like hers. And I'll upload this female Toji as reference to lock in character style for this niche and hit enter. Now select the project settings and time duration to confirm, and it starts working on the outline. We can check it here. Once it's done, we only need to go click concept design, and in a few seconds it outputs all reference images on the canvas. They look great, but a tiny fix needs to be made here, so we'll just select it to enter our edit to remove the extra leg, and voila. Now for this one, let's select the latest Seedance 2 model with AI director mode that does everything automatically. And we'll select this option to generate all videos in a batch at once, getting our videos here. We can even choose to add another video here, clicking on the plus icon, clicking create video, and specifying in the chat what we want to fill in the place, entering which it has added the clip. We'll generate the BGM for the video, which gives us an appropriate music, and simply hit Add Media to Timeline to switch to Timeline from up here and see the pre-adjusted clips with BGM. Now we may additionally cut clips, adjust the volume, set a filter, or add captions in this editor. To finally select export, select in the highest resolution and frame rate to export the finished result.
These 4 workouts are why women are ditching cardio for this physique. If you have this, follow this routine to get rid of it.
You just need to be diligent on getting the fitness facts right
build,
in your
not
prompts
just to
for these
shrink.
videos, along with the
Strong
perfect reference character getting a 6 effort rating. 3D animated storytelling channels are extremely popular among kids and build loyal audiences since viewers return for the story. So it must stay engaging. This time we'll use a more detailed prompt for a complex story. You can do the same by entering a prompt for a 3D emotional story, or use your own detailed structured prompt with defined shots along with character descriptions if you have a clear idea like me, and hit enter. The settings are predefined in the prompt. It creates an outline, and here you can select from a variety of models to lock in desired styling. I'll go for this cute soft pop. Let's generate it using workflow mode. Suitable for longer stories, it uses the 1.5 Pro model, which is cheaper. We'll go ahead and hit generate keyframes to get our image scenes at once. Then same for the clips as well. Looks very cool. Once everything looks good, we add background music and hit add clips to timeline, so we can export and get the final result.
Carried the sound of drums. A little girl named Araha followed the rhythm with her heart. She watched a dancer move like the tide, powerful, graceful, alive. But it wasn't just the dance that caught her eye. It was the basket, filling with coins, one by one. The next day, she stepped into the circle. She tried to dance, but her feet stumbled, her voice wavered. One by one, the crowd turned away. The basket stayed empty. She sat alone as the sun went down, a tear on her cheek. Her grandmother Nani found her and brought her home. By the fire, Nani asked,
Did you enjoy dancing?
Yes, Grandma.
Do what you love. The rest will come.
Let's push this further and also create an action rom-com with the 2.0 model, which appeals to teenage audience. I'll throw my idea here, specifying time and lip sync, and hit enter. After getting the outline, I'll go for a unique enchanted art style. getting this cool looking stylized storyboard. I'll go for the director mode for low effort and select Seedance 2. The scenes have been planned, so let's go get our clips.
Oh.
Very cool.
It speaks in glowing runes!
Lastly, we'll click on BGM and Final Video to get this compilation and export it. It takes more credits compared to 1.5.
It speaks in glowing runes! Are you safe out there, my knight?
Sorry, had to handle something. You were saying? Sent. Now where was I?
Send me a selfie. I want to see your face.
But is super coherent and consistent. It gets an effort rating of 5 due to being longer in length. Niche 3. What if of documentaries? These are dominating on socials right now and proven profitable. This channel posted just 3 videos pulling over 200,000 views on average, growing to 100,000 subscribers using AI themselves. We'll start with a prompt for an informative POV video for immersive style and enter our what if scenario, narration and defined length, then enter. I got this amazing concept sheet using the bedtime story style, which suits it well. Although it gave me a weird character output before. In order to change it, copy the character prompt from the concept sheet, go to AI image tool from the extensive toolbar on the left, and paste it in, locking the desired style again to generate until satisfied. Now in the concept sheet, click on the 3 dots and select the output to be your character. Great! We'll go for director mode to do the heavy lifting and Seedance 2 for high quality immersive animation. After that, we'll click on generate narration we asked for earlier, and it'll prompt us to pick narrator voice.
You were looking for a teenage narrator and I was waiting for you.
Once done, add the background track, adding it to the timeline, and watch this.
You slowly open your eyes to find cold stone beneath you. Through a shattered window, you glimpse Nazi-occupied France, 1944. This is terrifyingly real. Below, a hidden room contains detailed maps, an old radio, and a weathered pamphlet bearing the cross of the French resistance, your only guide to survival.
It gets an effort rating of 4 out of 10. Niche 4. Viral anime reels. The fastest and cheapest niche with huge virality, requiring bulk generation good for TikTok or IG pages. Anime/cartoon AI fights are going crazy on the internet, and it's easy to create due to zero script or original characters. In your prompt, you can be vague or detailed. Just make sure to specify for anime-style viral reels of popular cartoons fighting with dialogues. Now dump popular anime or cartoon characters as reference according to your prompt and hit enter. It'll do the outlining and create a script on its own. Once you select Seedance 2.0, it directly gives us the end result. No effort required.
Dance for me.
I can see it.
Let's go!
Pathetic.
This ends now.
Fascinating. It's easy to make but hard to profit from. Good for TikTok if you can present it as fan art, avoiding copyrights. Getting a 3 out of 10 effort rating. All the starter prompts used by me are in the description below so you can customize your own. The creator plan costs $26 a month and provides Seedance 2 access. I highly recommend trying it out yourself, so do like, comment your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.